Welcome back, folks. Today we've got another group of classic cars for sale, and this batch leans heavily toward true project territory. Some of these need serious work. Some are rare survivors. A few are just waiting for the right person to bring them back. No hype, no sales pitch, just an honest look at what's out there. Let's get started. Number 1. 1968 Mercury Cougar XR-7 Coupe for $3,800, Quartzsite, Arizona. We'll start with something stylish. A 1968 Mercury Cougar XR-7, Mercury's upscale cousin to the Mustang. Same basic platform, but more refined, more chrome, more luxury touches. This one has a 302 V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission. Now here's the issue. It runs great, but it only goes in reverse. No forward gears. That tells us the transmission needs rebuilding or replacement. The seller says it's pretty clean overall with very little rust. There's some damage on the right rear quarter where a blown tire tore up the lower edge, some rust on the right front fender, and 2 small rust spots near the driver's side shock tower. Interior is brown on brown, very period correct. At $3,800 with a clean title, this is a very affordable entry into late 60s Mercury muscle styling, if you're prepared to address the transmission first. Number 2. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS for $6,000, Phoenix, Arizona. Now we're talking serious project. A true 1964 Impala Supersport roller. No engine mentioned, no drivetrain details. This is basically a body and parts car. The seller is up front. It has rust in just about every panel. There's visible damage on the driver's side quarter panel, rear trunk area, and front passenger hood. But here's what it does come with. All glass, good bumpers, rear excellent, front needs minor work, tail lights, center console, majority of trim, drive shaft, Krager SS wheels with new tires, clean Texas title. The 1964 Impala SS is one of the most desirable full-size Chevys ever built. But this one will require extensive metal work. This isn't a weekend fixer. This is a full restoration candidate. If someone wants to save a real SS and has fabrication skills, this could be a long-term build. Number 3. 1963 Mercury Meteor Hardtop Custom for $4,500, Bakersfield, California. Now here's something you don't see every day. A 1963 Mercury Meteor Hardtop Custom. The Meteor was Mercury's midsize entry in the early 60s, sharing roots with the Ford Fairlane. This car is described as all original, pink slip in hand. The engine turns over by hand, but it has not been started. That means it's been sitting. Condition is listed as used good, but realistically, any car that hasn't been fired up will need going through. Fuel system, brakes, seals, cooling system, the usual revival checklist. Still, originality is always a plus, and Meteors are much less common than Mustangs or Camaros. A cool, unusual project for someone who wants something different at local car shows. Number 4. 1967 Chevrolet Biscayne for MX $5,000, Tijuana, Baja California. This one is interesting. Listed as a 1967 Chevrolet Biscayne, Chevrolet's no-frills full-size sedan of the era. The listing shows 66,666 kilometers and an automatic transmission. Engine details in the ad appear inaccurate, so we'll stick with what's realistic. Most Biscaynes came with inline-6 or small block V8 options. At MX $5,000, this is priced extremely low, suggesting it likely needs major work. The Biscayne is often overlooked because it lacked the trim of the Impala, but structurally they're solid full-size Chevrolet and great candidates for sleeper builds. If the body is solid, these make fantastic big-body cruisers. Number 5. 1965 Volkswagen Sedan, Beetle, for MX $9,500, Tijuana, Baja California. Now we shift gears completely. A 1965 Volkswagen Beetle. Manual transmission, black exterior with red interior, classic combination. The mid-60s Beetle is simple, air-cooled, easy to work on, and supported by one of the largest classic parts markets in the world. With 95,000 kilometers showing, this could be a fun, lightweight weekend car. Beetles aren't fast, they're not muscle cars, but they are charming, simple, and approachable classics. And sometimes that's exactly what people want.
Number 6. 1962 Ford Falcon, MX $4,000, Mexicali, Baja California. The early Ford Falcon was Ford's compact offering before the Mustang arrived. Simple, light, straightforward. This one is listed with an automatic transmission and bright orange paint. Falcons originally came with inline-six engines and were known for durability. At this price point, this is likely a cosmetic and mechanical project, but Falcons make excellent budget classics, and even solid V8 swap candidates for those who like sleeper builds. Number 7. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair, MX $10,000, Tijuana, Baja California. Now here's a conversation starter. A 1964 Chevrolet Corvair with its rear-mounted boxer engine. The seller says it's very nice for its year, with some minor details like any old car. It has an older title and plates and is described as a good example. The Corvair is unique in American automotive history. Air-cooled, rear engine, independent suspension. They're smooth cruisers when sorted out. Not everyone understands them, but the people who do really appreciate them. Number 8. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair, $8,000, Carson, California. Another Corvair, but this one appears much cleaner. Red exterior, black interior, automatic transmission, clean title, 2 owners, and listed as having no significant damage. With only 11,111 miles shown, though likely rolled over, this could be a well-preserved example. If someone is specifically looking for a Corvair, this one sounds like the more turnkey option compared to the previous listing. Number 9. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere Coupe, $8,000, Santa Barbara, California. Now we're talking Mopar. A 1965 Plymouth Belvedere Coupe, one of the cleanest body styles of mid-60s Chrysler products. 74,000 miles, automatic transmission, 1 owner, clean title. The Belvedere was available with everything from slant 6 engines to serious V8 performance options. This one appears to be a solid, honest survivor. The lines on these cars are simple and sharp, very understated muscle era styling. For Mopar fans, this is a strong platform. Number 10. 1966 Dodge W100 Power Wagon, $7,600, Phoenix, Arizona. We'll end with something tough. A 1966 Dodge W100 Power Wagon 4x4. Powered by a 318 V8, 4-speed manual transmission, 2-speed transfer case, Dana Spicer 60 rear differential, 4.56 gearing, 3/4-ton setup with wheels. This is a real heavy-duty truck. Now the reality, it hasn't been on the road in over 15 years. The engine hasn't been started in 8 years, but it does spin freely. So this is absolutely a project. But vintage 4x4 trucks have a strong following, and these old Dodge Power Wagons are known for durability and rugged design. If you like classic 4x4 trucks, you already know what this is.
That's 10 more classic cars, from compact Falcons to full-size muscle-era cruisers to heavy-duty 4x4 trucks. Some of these are serious builds, some are rare finds. All of them have potential in the right hands. If you enjoy honest looks at classic cars for sale and real project cars, make sure to like the video and subscribe. We've got more coming soon. See you in the next one.